How to replace the RAM in the IntelNUC. What you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, the new RAM. At the bottom of the NUC, loosen the 4 screws using the Phillips screwdriver. After loosening the screws, remove the cover by pulling it upwards. The RAM is secured by 2 locks. Push both locks simultaneously to release it. Now, carefully place the new RAM in the same spot. Note that there is an arrow on the NUC cover. Place the cover on the NUC with this arrow pointing towards its front. Now, tighten the screws again and it will be ready.